Welcome back to Auto Reviews. Today, we're checking out the 2025 Suzuki Burgman Street 125, a stylish maxi scooter that blends comfort, modern tech, and impressive efficiency. Let's see what makes it stand out in the 125 cubic centimeters segment. Design and styling. The Burgman Street 125 maintains its maxi scooter look with an apron-mounted LED headlight, tall fly screen, and a broad footboard that allows for multiple foot positions. The 2025 updates include new color options and onboard diagnostics, OBD2B, for better compliance and reliability. Engine and performance. Under the fairing is a 124 cubic centimeters, single-cylinder, air-cooled engine with Suzuki's SEP-α performance technology, optimized for fuel efficiency without compromising responsiveness. The EX trim adds SEP-α tech, featuring auto stop-start, EASS, and a silent starter system that enhances smoothness and conserves fuel. Fuel efficiency and capacity. The fuel-injected engine achieves remarkable frugality, around 1.9 L/100 km, translating to over 50 km per liter on average. With a 5.5 L fuel tank, that means a single tank can deliver a highway-friendly range of around 300 km. Comfort and practicality. Comfort is a highlight. The long seat, roomy floorboard, and flexible foot positioning offer relaxed ergonomics. The 125EX adds practical utility, an expansive 21.5 L underseat compartment, side pockets, and a USB port for on-the-go charging. Braking and stability. Braking is handled by a front disc and rear drum setup, complemented by Suzuki's combined brake system, CBS, for balanced stopping power. A long 1,290mm wheelbase, 160mm ground clearance, and tubeless tires ensure stability and ride comfort across urban surfaces. Tech and features. Modern touches include a full digital instrument panel, LED lighting front and rear, and an eco-drive indicator that nudges you toward efficient riding. The Ride Connect edition even offers smartphone connectivity with turn-by-turn navigation, call/SMS alerts, and a battery-level display. Price and variance. The 2025 model is offered in 3 trims in India: Standard, Ride Connect, and EX, priced from approximately 96,958 Indian rupees up to Indian rupee 117,643, ex-showroom. Each variant caters to different rider needs, from value-focused to feature-advanced options. Final word. The 2025 Suzuki Burgman Street 125 shines as a refined and efficient maxi scooter packed with features. Its combination of fuel economy, riding comfort, and smart technology makes it a compelling choice for daily commuting or weekend rides. Whether you value affordability or premium tech, there's a trim tailored for you.